If you're still relying on a single paycheck, this year is the right time to change that, and you don't need a fortune to start. Here are 7 income streams for beginners you can build with under $1,000, ranked by startup cost and speed to first payout. This is how to diversify income and stop relying on one salary as we look ahead toward financial freedom in 2026. Stream 1. Dividend ETF Micro-Investing. Open a brokerage account on Fidelity or Charles Schwab, deposit as little as $1 and buy fractional shares of a dividend ETF like VYM or SCHD. Dividends typically hit your account quarterly. Reinvest them, and compounding does the heavy lifting over time. Stream 2. Digital product storefronts. Create a template, guide, or printable using Canva, then list it on Etsy or Gumroad. Setup takes a weekend, and once it's live, each sale comes in without additional effort. Stream 3. Print on demand. Upload original designs to Printful or Redbubble. They handle printing, shipping, and customer service. Your upfront cost is minimal, and each design becomes a small, evergreen asset. Stream 4. Royalty-generating content. Record short tutorials or explainer videos and publish them on Skillshare or Udemy. Each course can earn royalties every time someone enrolls, making this one of the more scalable options on this list. Stream 5. High-yield savings and money market accounts. Park your emergency fund or idle cash in a high-yield savings account through Marcus by Goldman Sachs or SoFi. Currently, these accounts typically offer meaningfully higher rates than traditional banks. Passive income with very low risk. Stream 6. Fractional real estate. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate portfolios starting at just $10, with distributions paid to investors on a quarterly basis. This gives you real estate exposure without owning property or managing tenants. Stream 7. Contact licensing and stock assets. Upload original photos, music loops, or vector graphics to Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Each time a business licenses your asset, you earn a royalty. One upload can pay you for years. Here's the key insight. None of these residual income streams will make you wealthy on their own. The real strategy is building several in parallel, so your income diversifies the same way a smart investor diversifies a portfolio. Start with whichever stream matches your current skills and budget, then reinvest early returns to fund the next one. Financial freedom isn't built overnight. It's built by stacking small, consistent income sources until they outpace your expenses. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe for more passive income ideas, and like the video so other beginners can find it too.